Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Poly V piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
So, you've got a hot water tank, and it leaks sometimes, but then sometimes it doesn't. You'll come down in the basement and see a puddle of water on the floor, but then an hour later it won't be there. So, what's the deal? Is your hot water tank leaking? Is it not? This is something I see all the time. My name's Graham, expert plumber with Urban Piping. And over time, as your tank ages, the constant expansion and contraction of the hot water and cold water in the hot water tank will eventually make a stress crack between the atmospheric vent and the inlet and outlet. Now, this will be a very, very, very tiny fracture. And when you use your hot water tank, like first thing in the morning, everybody showers, that gap will open up because it's all cold water that's now filled your tank. But that will cause the leaking. But as it heats up over the next hour, the gap will squeeze shut again because you have hot water in there, and then everything will dry up. Now, I've seen this go on for years with some clients, and they go like, this is driving me insane, until one day the crack actually comes down the side and it does a full blow up. Now, if you see a crack or any water that's intermittent on a hot water tank, definitely call a professional in there to diagnose the situation. I recommend someone like Urban Piping, but hey, that's just me.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly V. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.